Hi FitNCalm family, in today's video we are bringing you a totally natural and chemical free way of having glowing skin and beautiful hair through a secret of Ayurveda known as Abhyanga. It's going to strengthen your body from the inside out. We'll have a look at what is Abhyanga, how do you do Abhyanga at home, what oils you can use and what are the benefits of Abhyanga. So let's watch along. Welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Kushpinder, and at FitNCalm we bring you yoga on the mat. We have so many yoga videos for you to practice from the comfort of your own home, and we bring you yoga off the mat, lifestyle, food, health, wellness tips which have a strong backing in our ancient wisdom. And today we are going to explore one such thing, which is Abhyanga. Abhyanga is a part of Dincharya as per Ayurveda. Dincharya means your daily routine. And Abhyanga is a great way, a natural and chemical-free way to strengthen your body, to improve your immunity, to reduce your stress and to increase the strength and flexibility of your joints as well as your muscles. So let's hear more about Abhyanga from Ayurveda expert Dr. Narayani.
Abhyanga, it's not just massaging your skin so we are providing benefits to our skin. No, Abhyanga works on all levels, right from our body to our mind. It improves our immunity, it improves our central nervous system, it improves our cardiovascular system, improves our circulation. It is beneficial for our lymphatic drainage. So it helps in all of those overall nourishment of the body. Even for people who are very emaciated and are having problems in gaining weight, even for them it's a very beneficial procedure they can do every day. And it's a 15 minutes if we take out and do a full body massage. It's going to give so many benefits. Yeah. When we normally do any massages, a lot of us tend to just start it with our extremities, like our arms and our legs. So that is one thing which we should be changing. When we are starting a body massage, we should start it from the head. Starting from the head, then coming to our ears. After the ears, we should do it on our face. After the face, on our neck, and then we can go down. Chest, and then abdomen, and then the extremities. Right? So that's the order we should follow while we are performing Abhyanga. A lot of us will not like to put oil on our heads every day. So in that case, we can just do dry massage on the head, just to facilitate circulation maybe. And at least twice or thrice a week, we should do the oil application on the head as well. The rest of the body, every day, we need to take out 15 minutes of time and do oil application. Now, do we want to talk about the benefits? Yeah? Abhyanga is, for me, it's like a whole treatment. It can literally give you so many benefits, but we are just going to focus to the skin aspect. It improves your skin tone. Like with age, there are chances we start to get laxity in our skin. That is like loosening of our skin. So it prevents and delays that aging factor also. It is an anti-aging therapy, I would say. It improves our muscles. If the muscles are intact, then obviously the upper covering is also going to be intact. Yeah. It strengthens our body. Obviously, it improves our metabolism. Obviously, it improves our. In Ayurveda we call it prabha. It improves your glow and it improves your glow basically. Because your tone is going to get better. Your skin elasticity is going to get better. So your face your body skin will glow eventually if you start practicing it on daily basis. One more thing, a lot of us are talking about hydrating our skin on day-to-day basis. Like we should keep our skin always hydrated. So it takes care of that hydrating aspect also. It doesn't let your body have dryness or scaliness or anything of that sort. Especially for Vata Prakriti people, Abhyanga is a must. Everyday Abhyanga is a must. Not only in terms of skin, but other issues also. It takes care of Vata dosha tremendously. It's an amazing remedy for Vata dosha, I would say. Now we talk about which oil to use. So in general, for a healthy person on day-to-day basis, we can use oils, basic oils which are usually available in home. That is coconut oil, castor oil, and then there is flax seeds oil is very good for your for people who have oily skin. They can also do Abhyanga, but then they can use flaxseed oil. That is very beneficial for them. Almond oil can be used. Almond oil is also very beneficial for the skin. And for people who don't like too much stickiness and all of that, they can, this is because I was that person. I never liked using too much unctuous things on my skin. Actually putting anything on my skin, I never liked putting anything on my skin. So I started using coconut oil, and that has helped me a lot. I mean, that's one oil which I like. So I would recommend that oil to everybody. Yeah, but you can choose oil according to your skin type, because some people who have very, very dry skin, they might not get so much effect just with coconut oil. So they can use any other oil which suits them. They can use almond oil, that will be good for them. And if some people might have some issues in terms of like skin lesions or something like that, in that case you have to, then that will be the diseased aspect. So that we'll have to see according to the condition. We can use the oil differently. One oil which I have seen a lot of people have had a very good experience is Kumkumadi taila. I don't want to use the word fairness, but it improves your skin texture and complexion to a very great extent. And also people who have little pigmentation on the faces, that also can be treated with the Kumkumadi taila. Kumkumadi taila is very good for pigmentation. Then ghee is also very good. Ghee, especially for Pitta Prakriti people who have a lot of tendencies of freckles and acne and moles and everything, ghee can do wonders for them. Simple ghee application, you can just warm it a little bit and then apply ghee. That can do really wonders for your skin, Pitta Prakriti people. Yeah. Then sunflower oil can also be used for people. Now, if somebody wants to do Abhyanga all over the body, if they have some pains, or if their skin is extremely dry and they need some strengthening also, then Shira Bala taila is there. So Kumkumadi taila I mentioned, and Shira Bala taila. Then for people who have, some people feel there's a lot of heat on their face, or there's a lot of, so they can use Chandanadi taila. Chandanadi taila, it has main ingredient as Chandana. So that also is very good for Pitta Prakriti people, or people who feel a lot of like heat in their body. That is also very good for them. Yeah. For Kapha Prakriti, I mentioned flaxseed oil. They can use flaxseed oil for regular body massage. Then there's one Ushiradi taila, Ushira, Ushiradi taila. That is also very good for your overall body metabolism improvement and skin complexion. That is also very good. But Kumkumadi taila so far I have found the best for face massage. So that is something which is very expensive also. You cannot do it full body massage, you cannot do with that. So for face you can use Kumkumadi taila. It's very good. It has a very good anti-aging property also. So heating the oil has to be indirect heating. We should not directly keep the oil on the stove or in a vessel. We should not heat it directly. So maybe in a hot water bath or something like that, we can use indirect heating. Microwaves are not to be used for oil heating, because they completely destroy the actual composition of the oil. And for after we are heating the oil, they should not be very hot. It should be warm, like a little warmer than you can take from your body temperature, a little warmer than your body temperature. Who are the people who cannot do Abhyanga? It's all age groups can do it. All Prakriti kind of people, all Vata, Pitta, Kapha, all Prakritis can do it. But there are few contraindications. those people should avoid doing it. If they do it, then it can cause some problems. So first one in that is indigestion. If your body is not able to digest your food properly, then definitely you should not start doing Abhyanga, because that will take the circulation to the outside and then your system will not be able to focus to digest the food. So in cases of ajirna, that is indigestion, you should not be doing Abhyanga. Then if the person is having a foul smelling bowel, foul smelling motions, then person should not be taking Abhyanga. If the person has fever, this is very important. If the person is having fever, then definitely Abhyanga is contraindicated. These are the main contraindications. If the person has not taken proper food in time, basically related to your GIT. If your GIT is not fine, you should not do Abhyanga. And if you have fever, then also you should not do Abhyanga. Otherwise, all age groups, right from the childbirth till the person is old, all ages can do Abhyanga and must do Abhyanga, in fact.
If you liked today's video, leave us a thumbs up. A simple like from you will help us reach out to a lot more people and bring in good health and well-being into their lives as well. And if you've not subscribed and you like our content, you can do that as well. We'll see you again. May you stay fit and calm.